Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear brake pads on your 1986 or 1989 Yamaha Moto-4 225. So obviously you got to take the wheel off. So all these bolts, I have never done the brakes on this quad. Like in 30, I don't know, what is it, 33 years? Alright, I'm just going to record how it currently looks in case I break something. Alright, I'm going to take off these 10mm bolts. Wow, I'm surprised that came off. There we go. Looks like there's a washer here. Unhook the spring. Alright. Here's the thing that presses on that. Oh, that's cool. When this rotates, it pushes this out. Simple enough. Wow, I was not expecting that. These are in pretty good shape. So here's the old one and the new one. Very minimal difference in height there. The old one feels a little glazed compared to the new one. So put the new ones on anyway, I guess, since I have them. Let's see the rotor in here. This metal casing is going to have to come off to get to that other pad. I've been soaking these bolts for a few days. Or sorry, these screws. They're Phillips screws. Alright, nothing like a little thunderstorm to mess up your project. Put that one in the record books. No broke bolts. Ooh, wow, that's painful. Alright, and then on the back, there are two large bolts here that I have not been soaking in PB because I didn't realize they were supposed to come off. So make sure you soak these two bolts and then take them off to release the caliper. Ratcheting wrenches can never fit. It's splined right here. Oh. Alright. This doesn't look that bad either. I'm gonna guess my cables are stretched, but we'll see. Alright, put the pad in there. Put this back on its mounts. It helps me put that on over that. Just slide this back on. little bit of a smaller socket there so I can clear this arm. Attach the spring here. This bolt right here looks like it might adjust the depth of the pin that pushes into this caliper, and maybe by loosening this I can free up the wheel so it actually turns, because right now it's very tight. Hold this and tighten this up. There we go. It's like a lock nut on there. Let's see if that works. Alright, that locks it right up. Just by slightly pulling on this. I'm going to turn it on and see if the brakes will spin freely after I run it for a second. Alright, so after turning it on and putting it in drive, this is still dragging a bit more than I would like, so I'm going to loosen up this bolt a little bit more. Alright, let's give this a shot with some brake action. So, looks like I'm good to go with that adjustment. The brakes aren't dragging. Excellent. I do need to repair my handlebar brake cable, or actually the handle. It's all messed up, but my brake lever still works fine. My foot pedal. So, after that, just put the tire back on, and you're good to go.